Hi, I'm E with Twin Fireworks.
And I'm Sarah.
We have two more products today. The first one is Space Needle. It's a Roman candle barrage. And the second one is
Pyro Drone. And it is a toy
fountain.
novelty fountain.
Yeah, it's
a little
very
bit of a
cool.
spinner fly. Very cool. Wait till you see.
Yeah, okay. So let's open the first one.
So first is Space Needle. This is a new one with some new effects for packaging and that kind of thing. This is a 300 shot Roman candle barrage.
Oh, what did I do there? Okay. So the difference from this one to others is they're compact. So there are two colors. One is the red, the other one is blue, and then they have different effects. So we're going to talk about that.
So this helps in shipping, saves in shipping, but also helps you with your display space for,
Yeah. So this one, you could extend it. Yeah. So extend it. And then I'm not pulling it all the way out because once you pull it all the way out, it locks in. It will not get back in for safety reason. So I'll show you this, and we already have one that's put together, and I'll bring it over. So this is for the ground, and you lock it like this. So when it's ready, it will be like a very sturdy, good Roman candle brush and 300 shots.
Yes, very similar to like the Gatling guns, size-wise also for that, but this like a lot more compact to help with store shelf space and shipping to get it over here.
Yeah, and it's just really cool that customers get to
It
put
is
that
really
together.
cool. It puts together and it has that fun look, and we have the blue.
So could you tell everybody what the blue does?
Color? Yes. Yeah. So the blue is a silver waterfall to a silver chrysanthemum with 300 shots in the sky.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the one that we already put together, so it won't go back. So it locks in. So when you're displaying in the store, make sure that people know that. And obviously, you could sell it like this, right?
Yep.
Or you could put the little ones in the shop and then have people take them home and then put them together. So there is a little piece over here which actually is a remainder of a handle. We do not have the handles anymore because of the new regulation. If you want to know about the regulation, please email us. We can talk to you about that. Okay.
And then the red's effect is a gold willow to a crackling chrysanthemum.
Okay.
And 300 shots.
Yeah.
So both very, very cool.
Alrighty.
New one for this year. That's the Space Needle.
Oh, this has a cool box too.
It has a good, cool, colorful box.
I always like color boxes.
I know.
All right. Well, let's do.
Okay. Now for the Pyro Drone. Like we said, this one is kind of it's a unique, neat one that I think is going to be a very big favorite with the kids and adults alike. Neat effect, and it's one that's fun for kids to enjoy just in the backyard. Also, one that would be very cool in a show effect as well. We'll talk about that. So
this is a nice, protected piece in here.
12-1. And so this is the Pyro Drone, and so it looks like a drone, and it has the flying pieces for the jellyfish there as well.
So
pretty lightweight, but we have one that's already open. He's going to bring up and show here. So yeah.
So we have one that's already open, so you can see without the flare from the plastic piece. So if I remember correctly, these four will actually fly up in the later, later in the
jellyfish effect. And so it kind of starts out with like a silver flower titanium fountain of crackling stars. And then it finishes at the end with them flying, the jellyfish effects flying up from the end. So very, very cool.
Yeah, very cool. I know.
Multi-dimensional for your shows.
If my kids are buying fireworks, my team's going to line up first for this one. Yeah.
So this is the Pyro Drone. Thank you for watching. Visit www.twinfireworks.com or email info@twinfireworks.com to buy. Don't forget to subscribe to Twin Fireworks channel and like and share our video with your friends.